Hello everyone and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mixi Videos by Sam, where creativity meets education. In this latest series, we are diving into the world of bulletin board ideas for schools. Whether you are a teacher looking to spruce up your classroom or a student eager to contribute to your school's vibrant atmosphere, we have got you covered with a plethora of innovative and engaging bulletin board concepts. Join us as we explore a wide range of themes where seasonal displays to motivational message, interactive learning boards and beyond. Our step-by-step tutorials will guide you through the process of bringing these ideas to life using easily accessible materials and simple yet effective techniques. Through in this video, we aim to inspire a sense of community and creativity within educational setting. Our bulletin board ideas are designed to foster positive, a stimulating environment, encouraging learning, collaboration, and self-expression. So, whether you are a seasoned educator or a passionate student, tune in our Mixi Videos by Sam and let's embark on this exciting journey of transforming ordinary bulletin boards into extraordinary showcases of inspiration and knowledge. Let's make learning visually captivating and fun. I hope this helps and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.